Alright, mic check. 1, 2, 3. Jeez. Dude, I don't know how I am not getting better. I feel like I've been like this with a hoarse throat for like 2 weeks. I don't know how. Alright, good morning, everybody. Trader Profit, what do you have on watch today? I am watching Microsoft and Amazon. Wouldn't touch Tesla today because of earnings later on. Is that why? Alright, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, guys. J Hard, Fish on, J Hard number one. Michael, good morning, Sunshine. What's up? Jim Hinkle, what up on Chicago Trader? Corey, Just Joe, what's up, man? Slow day looks like a short to rip day. Morning, Hanish on Tradecaster. Morning, everybody on TikTok. So, Edge Yoder, welcome. Oh, Edge Yoder, you're the guy that has 20 years of experience or something like that. You commented on my video, right? Thanks for that comment. Oh, now I'm nervous, man. Now I'm feeling the pressure. Now I'm feeling the pressure. Just kidding. Um, just kidding. I'll have another green day. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding about that. Just kidding. Good morning, Amy. Good morning, Blair. Good luck to everybody. FWI is looking beautiful where it's at right now. Like, if I was taking some pre-market trades, this right here is a beautiful looking trade right here. If you get a tiny add low right here, I would be adding on this play all day, all day, all day right here, all day. Just kidding, but you do get a nice push, the highest volume you've seen all day, and then you're pulling back down with lower volume to kind of this pivot here, and then kind of trying to hold 7 when I guess it's under 7. But if you snag some of these lows here, that's a good trade there, even if you flushed on or even get stopped out. But but that's a good looking trade there. This stock is up currently 60%. Morning, Justin. Morning, Kevin. Kevin, is that Kevin Kim? Is that you on my Discord now? The one that sent that good morning thing this morning? If it is, I don't know how I guessed that. That is you. Awesome. Well, thanks for joining the Discord, man. Thank you. So now everybody else knows, because I'm sure maybe other people were in there and they're like, who is this guy now? How's today looking, Wallboy? It's looking okay. Okay, let me run through all the gappers. Let me go through all of this right here. So I got. Oh, by the way, guys, do you guys remember yesterday I looked at my halt scanner and I was like, what is going on? Like something's wrong with my halt scanner. It had like 10, 15 scanner stocks in there halted. It ended up being that the New York Stock Exchange or something like that like messed up and accidentally halted like so many tickers in the morning, and that's why my halt scanner looked like that. And I noticed it yesterday, and I was like, "What the heck?" But I just thought it was weird. And then I saw the people saying that too, and then I was like, oh, "Okay, then yes, it happened to everybody. Something they halted a bunch of stocks." And look at that FWBI play right there. I said it right there, pre-market right here. This looks like an ad right there. Anyways, FWBI, this is looking good. Moving pretty fast, so I'd be really careful with this. But you know, could set up another flag. Hopefully, could go up. I got some daily levels on this thing. Snow on break of VWAP. I'll take a look at it. Morning from Utah. Good morning, guys. On TikTok, what does Soy Spy do today? I don't know. I think everything gapped down yesterday. I think it was, who was it? Microsoft had earnings yesterday, and it rallied up and then sold it all off, and everything else sold off. But FWAI, some daily levels I got are up to $8 and $9, so still have maybe a little bit of room on that one. INPX was another gapper. This one looks like it's already given most of its move back. If we don't get over VWAP over this 217 level, not that interested on this one long. ATNF ATNF looks like it's losing a lot of volume, and this thing cannot pop. You would want over $4 right here. Whole dollar, $4 right here, and maybe over VWAP and see if you find a play. Volume's got to come back into this one for us to be in play. IKT, kind of similar thing, you're just fading back down, low volume, nothing there. CDTX, nothing there. A few stocks from yesterday. COSM, huge rally yesterday out of nowhere. This thing went from $4.08 to $6.08. That's a $2 share move there. Crazy halt up again. So did it twice there, or halted up pretty big from went from 540 to 6.7, almost 50-cent halt, and then after that still gapped up and still ran for another 50 cents there, a dollar almost actually. Yeah, from 6 to 6.80, 80 cents, but it's still holding sideways. So maybe possible trade today. Maybe this thing keeps wanting to go. Maybe it wants to go again. As far as other ones from yesterday, not this. SATX, this is that stupid bounce or stupid stock that just sold off. BOF, maybe. If BOF wants to push back up, but I honestly don't think BOF will do anything else again. This is the one that I tried shorting yesterday, and unfortunately I got out, but it actually did end up cracking down and hitting new lows. You know, if you come back up and reclaim that 323 level, maybe. So I got an alert up here now for the long side. So 323, that's the main support. Maybe we get over that. Let me see. OTRK was the one that I did short yesterday. Here, okay, nothing much, nothing today. Hollow, nothing today. ARDS, nothing today. INBS, this one's still kind of going sideways. This one's still holding that floor of 1-1. So this is that one that first day I thought somebody was buying and buying and buying and couldn't flush and should have been done, should have been done, should have been done, should have been done, and went sideways all day, all day. Next day, pre-market hit a new high, held all day yesterday. You know, if somebody's still not letting this stock go at all, this thing might run again. So I'd be careful on this one. I keep an eye on this one. I'm gonna put alert this pivot here like 1-3. Maybe if it really starts coming back up, I'll watch it there. Nothing with this one. Grom, I think was another stock made a move yesterday. Yeah, nothing until above $3, so nothing there. BXRX fader yesterday. Unfortunately, it was not in. DBGI, nothing there. HLBZ maybe. Nope, ended up fading yesterday. Gone. GNS, is GNS finally done? Oh wow, GNS, I shorted it there and I got stopped out there, and it's still going down to $4. Oh gosh, oh no. I still think GNS has to have a big pullback down. Like this thing needs to go back down to like $3 or $2. So I would love to catch one of these shorts on this one for it to go back down like that, but it just keeps holding up still. So throwing it on my side chart for now. And I think that's it. Let me see what you guys got to say. Tesla, bro. LOL. I'll look at it. Snowa. Let me see. Snowa, it's a good short. Snowa, 245 high. Okay. 245 high. Right at the 200 moving average. Okay, I like it. So, yeah, I do like this. If this was to give me another spike up towards those levels higher up there. So, I'm going to replace a TNF. Put an alert on that one. Moving INPX up here. And I am moving Snow right here, real close to me so I can see it. Why can I? There we go. Now I got 3 minutes. So large caps, small caps. I mean large caps. Amazon sold off yesterday. I think the only one that had earnings was Microsoft, but this is when Microsoft reported earnings. So let me look at Microsoft. Reported earnings. I guess I didn't even look at them, but estimated to 27 actual. So I guess it should have been good. Anyways, but then sold off, and Amazon did the same thing. Apple kind of selling off too. SPY doing the same thing. It's back down under 400, 399. You know, if you look at the daily on SPY, we still did not break that big downtrend. So we're still bouncing off of the top end. So we could go right back down if this thing doesn't want to go. Tesla, I know Tesla has earnings today, so it might not do much, but I am pretty interested on this 141 level because if this 141 level gives out, I could see this thing free fall down to 137.5. 141, I could see a pretty big move down to 137.5. All right, let me see what you guys got to say over on YouTube. Since I was going over those stocks, yeah, I said yesterday about large cap weird turns out is a bug. Oh yeah. Cobra, Guardian, and Speed Trader, no locus for FWBI. Oh, I have some, but they were expensive for FWBI. Morning, Rome. Good morning, Neith. Neith, I saw your comment. I'm gonna try to once the market opens, maybe just get rid of the scanners or move to the side. So if I forget, remind me. Morning, Kexodus. Morning, Tech Money. Morning to Mimi. Morning, everybody else. We got 2 minutes till market opens. What's up, Kex? Second Money. The good news, spikes volumes needs to happen around 4 a.m. Pacific for me. I normally get up around 5:50 a.m. Might have to start getting up earlier. Yeah, I see what you're saying, Rumsey. Tesla today after the close. Tesla, yeah, earnings today after close. What about Mara and Riot? Any potential for them today? I think those are the ones I looked at, and I was like, oh, they're looking a little extended, right? Yeah, I mentioned them yesterday. I think both look at that stuff on the daily on Mara, and then Riot had 3 good days, right into a flat top, couldn't get out of it, and so it turned right back down. So I don't really see anything long unless you break this 660s level on Riot, and then Mara, even this level here of like 890, under $9, over $9 you get that squeeze. Before $9 you couldn't go anywhere. Morning, Fat G. Morning, everybody else. Terrence, there you are. Most morning, everybody. If I missed anybody on TikTok as well, we got about a minute till market opens. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Crow Finance, Humble Entities, Omar, all you guys. And SPY is back down to that level. I could see some support on SPY at that 396, looking at the higher time frame. But on the higher time frame, if Tesla loses this 141 level, I could see this thing go down to 137.5. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. As far as the shorts or small caps, FWBI, I did have some locates available, but this thing is pretty pricey. It's like almost 30 cents per share, and that's a lot. So I decided to not do it. But I did want to see SNOA. SNOA is even almost 10 cents for me too. Alright, so market is open, guys. Let's see if FWBI wants to give us one last squeeze on this thing, and this thing wants to shoot up. I'm watching Tesla at the same time. You guys already know. There goes FWBI a little bit. We've seen this a lot recently, where you get the first minute candle to open to hit the new high, and instantly just doesn't do anything. It just goes back down. So keeping an eye on everything right now. This is how usually it goes. Good luck to everybody today. Hopefully you guys make a lot of money. Hopefully you guys kill it. COSM going for another high, 688. You got a nice daily at 643. So if COSM flags over 643, we could get a nice push. Tesla selling off. If we lose that 141 on Tesla, I do want to go short. Watching COSM though. COSM right here is looking pretty interesting. At that 643 daily level, COSM could spike to a new high. I don't want to go short on Tesla, but I know that I think I'm leaning more towards a short today. I just don't want to take it right now already in the first couple minutes and then get burned. Morning, Raphael Trader. Morning, The Trader. Morning, Wobble. I think I already said. I still think we are going bearish and cannot hold the 400. It might not happen right away, but I think February we're really going to tumble. Whereas Wedgmore, but yeah, I think so too. Snowa tried pushing into VWAP there, but no No trade for me short there. I wish it would have pushed up a little more. I actually had the button ready to locate shares on that one as soon as it got to that level, but no, didn't push high enough for me to take it. But you guys see this cliff hanging off here on Tesla where I'm looking at it right now? This is Tesla right here. Look at this ginormous cliff Tesla's hanging down under. If I get a nice push back up on Tesla here, I want to follow this long. Look at the bigger time frame on Tesla. SPY is falling, Tesla's falling. I like this 141 level retest here. If I could get a very good entry right here to go back down short and see if Tesla really wants to fade down today again. I really want a nice strong close here. This candle's about to close here. If I get a push all the way back up, I'm going to start adding on this one. I'm adding, oh, well, I did add there. You almost had me there, Tesla. You almost had me there. You can see the selling pressure here. I would love this candle to close here and the next one immediately go down lower. A lot of buyers trying to step up already, but I could see a lot of selling pressure here. I'm going to be very quick to stop out if this wants to absolutely squeeze, but if I get a new high here, I'm stopping out. SPY's trying to what, catch a bounce? I'm liking this so far. I'm liking this so far. This candle's got to close right here. And then next candle back down. Come on. Back on down, back on down, back on down. If this candle does not keep pushing lower, I'm going to get out of this trade and break even. I'm going to stop here real quick. Small loss. I thought I had it there, but I'm going to look for, I'm still looking here for the short on Tesla. Let's see what's, oh, Snow is back up. Okay, I like it, I like it. If we lose this 141 on Tesla, I could see us drop pretty good. I took a small loss there, so I'm not panicking at all. I've come back from a lot worse. COSM is still trying to hold there. I wanna watch SPY a little closer though, because I want to see if the overall market's still pushing down. FBI is still holding that 685 7-ish level there. So if you guys see my 5-minute time frame down here on Tesla, you guys know exactly that cliff that I'm looking at, that I was trying to take a breakout right here. So I was trying to take that low day there so I could see if we can fall from here all the way down to 137. Didn't happen there, so Tesla's popping a little bit. FWBI is still hanging there. SNOA, I am interested on this one. If SNOA pops over VWAP, I could see it just go one more time to new high of day. But I don't know if that's going to hold. That's exactly the 200 moving average on that one. So SNOA, yep, SNOA is pushing up. So I'm going to probably start looking at this one up here so I can keep an eye on it. So SNOA, you got 245 high. If you get a nice flag here, you could still get Tesla squeezing a lot of shorts. A lot of people had the same idea there. So I'm gonna wait on Tesla a little bit. I'm not gonna chase this to the top side now. I'm just gonna wait. If we don't get over these pre-market levels here, I will still stay bearish on this thing and want that move. You know, we do have earnings tonight, so this thing could just chop around. But for now, I'm just going to look at SNOA. Tech and Money, ATNF potential reclaiming VWAP pushing. Tech and Money, COSM, weird action. I saw COSM, yeah, what a reversal. How much you made today? I am down right now, but market just opened. SNOA is one that I am interested on. Let's see. Let's check out SNOA on here so I can see exactly what I'm looking at. So SNOA, that 245 is the 200 moving average. So if this thing gets a nice flag here, I could see this thing go up to the 200 moving average. Um, um, SNOA shares are getting more expensive too to locate. So, but watching SNOA here, Tesla is pushing higher. So that 141 is just gonna hold as support then. I tried my trade down there. I think I had a good idea, but unfortunately it's not going. SNOA right here. If you get this 5-minute candle to close above VWAP right here, and then get a nice 5-minute candle with low volume here. So this candle is 38. So one more minute on this one. Oh, never mind. So I'm watching SNOA. Not ready. Not having any. Did anybody hit SNOA short? You do have $2 right here. If $2 gives out, this thing might be done. But if you're holding $2, I could still see SNOA push back up. SPY is holding that 396. Fat G is long on CDTX. Dark Mix did short SNOA at 232 pre-market. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. I do want to see if SNOA keeps pushing up to that 245 again. Then I would really want a nice short up there. So I just got the shares. I didn't realize that the first time they were rejected. So I got some SNOA shares short now. Oh, Tesla, big rejection there. I could see that Tesla keep pushing back down low. SNOA, I'm looking for this nice squeeze. See if you get it here, reclaiming VWAP. But at this point, I could see Tesla moving back on down here. Big old stuff there up top on Tesla. That pre-market level there, just kind of quick stuff there. Would love to see if Tesla you can catch a lower high here and then catch the move down through VWAP down to 141 again, and then see if you really want to sell off. SNOA, no entry yet, but I do have locates now. I paid a lot for those things, so I need to make sure I use them. SNOA, I really would like to see this thing squeeze. We got a big rejection already there, but you're kind of holding VWAP again. I want to see if SNOA wants to get back to that 245 level and see if I can get some pretty good ads up there. CDTX added one set shop WW. It's pushing. Morning, everybody. Also, I need your help, bro. What do I short? Tesla is barely, to me, Tesla's barely holding VWAP. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking if Tesla loses VWAP, that thing is going right back down to that 141. If we lose that 141, I think Tesla could drop pretty good today, as long as the market is on that side too. So that's why I kept watching SPY today, because SPY is also, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, 2 days ago, we had a lot of consolidation pre-market, aftermarket at 396, and that is exactly what we went down and hit today. Tech and Money had a runner on Snow. There you go, though. Runner means a good trade, though. Runner means a green trade. I'm still watching Tesla. I'm still watching the overall market. This is where I could think Tesla could just reverse. I don't see Tesla. It's not looking strong to me, and it seems like it's barely holding some of these levels. I could see Tesla push down through VWAP. But I'm not gonna add big size until I see a good trade, a good setup. This is not right here. I just want to see it. To me, it's not bouncing. To me, buyers aren't stepping here. I could see Tesla pull on down pretty fast here. Maybe get that move through VWAP. I took one tiny starter on Snowa, but like barely any size. I really wanted that one to keep on pushing. It's at $2 right now, so I know buyers are going to be right there at $2. No idea, just logged in as of not really working this week. Okay. INPX pushing. Oh, INPX was pushing into just quickly reverse right there, taking money. I see it. I think if we get a quick move here on Tesla down, I think we could see that 140, these lows again. Snow, I'm trying to find some support at that $2. Yeah. I'm closing this one. Oh, wait. Tesla could just drop here if this candle doesn't hold. This could be a fake push here. This could be the fake push on Tesla. I could follow this down. There it goes. Let's get the sell-off. Let's see if we can get the sell-off. Let's see if I can add for the low of day. Right here. Let's see if we can get the sell-off. That was a strong move in our direction. Let's see if we can continue this move here. This candle cannot bounce. Gotta be careful though, because I still got 20 seconds on this candle. I really want to see Tesla sell off down to that 140s. Here we go. I just want to close this candle here, and next candle move on lower. I want to see another big sell off here. Nope, I'm gonna close it and then take that average a little higher if it pops up. Here we go. There. There. Exactly there. Now push on lower. This is literally hanging on by a thread now. Come on, take out this low, take out this low, take out this low, take out this low. Please, please, please. Take out this low and go right back down to 140.50. There's no way. No, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on. Right here, right here. New low, new low, new low. New low right here. I have to cover some. It's not breaking. Come on, come on. There it goes. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. New low, new low. Come on. Keep on dropping, keep on dropping. Keep on dropping, keep on dropping, keep on dropping, keep on dropping. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Covering a bunch just because I am now pretty nicely green on this trade here. Looking for this low here though if I get it. If this thing wants to keep running. I got 600 shares left. Pretty good cost basis, I think. It's like way up here, 141.43. My cost basis is way up here, but I'm looking for this thing to keep pushing down. I want a new low update. I want to close under this 141 level. This is still looking heavy to me. I want that 140.12, 140, 140, 140, 140. Candle's about to close. Super strong here. Keep on pushing lower. Keep on pushing lower. One more push right here. One more push right here. Tiny little micro pullback there. That's okay. Now push back down again. No, don't do this. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. You guys see that candle? Oh, no, you guys don't see nothing. You guys don't see anything. You guys don't see anything at all. And right back down. And right back down. And right back down. And right back down. Oh, this wants to drop. There we go. Covering some. Covering some. Doesn't want to drop that hard. 400 shares left. Snow is being stubborn too. I'm still short Snow, a green trade, but so 400 shares left. This high right there is 140.84. What I could do is just put my stop under there above that candle. If it wants to spike, it spikes. If it wants to keep dropping, I'm in it. Snow has big reversing, so I gotta watch it. I took my profit on Snow because I cannot watch it that well. Dang it, I got stopped out on Tesla. So I went from negative 300 to positive. Maybe I shouldn't have stopped out too, man. Come on. Oh, man, come on. Why, boy, Nvidia spanking you. Oh, man, come on. Oh, man, come on, man. Oh, man, come on. Oh my god, the one day I saw GNS pop up, I was like, yeah, GNS is done today. There's no way this thing pops up again. Now it's actually dropping. And no, Tesla, no, don't do this to me, bro. No, don't do this to me. The one time I put a stop loss, this actually keeps dropping, man. Do you think today is a landslide, to be honest? Shoot, I don't know. That'd be nice. You know, tiny, tiny, tiny profit on Snowa short. But honestly, I still have the locates, and I paid a lot, so I want this thing to come back up. And, oh, no, dude. No, look at Tesla. Something always happens, dude. I always do something. I had 400 shares at 149, and now it's at 130, under 9. That's an extra 500 bucks there I'm missing out. Oh my gosh. I did mention if it lost its levels, I could see this thing right back down to 137.5, so. Gosh dang it, that thing just sold off so crazy right there. I could see this thing down to 137.5 today. And this is the highest candle all day as in volume besides the 1 minute candle, so I could see this. Yep. Oh, this hurts. This hurts to watch. This hurts to watch. This hurts. Oh my gosh, this hurts to watch. Man, everything is selling off. Are you guys finding anything on the small caps? FWI selling off. INPX selling off. ITNF selling off. IKT doing nothing. CDTX doing nothing. COMS sold off. SNOA. I guess SNOA's the only one holding, but oh my gosh. What are you guys trading? What are, what are we trading today? Qubit ABC pattern on Tesla long on 30 seconds. Get it, Juan. Damn nice, man. Appreciate it. Nice trade, Juan. I missed a bunch, bro. I was in 1,500 shares again. Hit the big size on this one. ENSC just hopped up on my. Well, it's been on my halt scanner. So let's see what this one's got. Ooh. Wait a second. It was this time halt at 52. So just halted. ENSC. Oh, cheap locates. I'm gonna look at some shares on this one. I'm gonna look at some shares on ENSC just because this thing is going parabolic. I see some daily levels. I see a gap fill here, but it's not until almost $2. So I would have to see if this thing wants to open strong and push away like really really nice. Yeah, but this thing, yeah. Oh, Tesla's going down to 137.5. I think. Like there's just I knew that if we lost this 141, I said it all morning. If we lost this 141 on Tesla, this thing could free fall down to 137.5, and it's literally free falling right now. So I am upset. I am very very upset right now. You guys can tell by my face expressions. I am very very upset. But that means 137.5. I could catch a nice reversal if this thing really wants to free fall all the way down to 137.5. And the reason why I was saying that level, if you look at the higher time frame, let's just see what the 1 hour, you see this is that little right there, that 141 level I was calling out, and then you have nothing until this pivot right here, and that's that 137.5. So I knew if we could drop out of this level here, we could just go straight down to 137.5, and that's exactly what this thing is doing, even though I was in this thing with 1,500 shares short. And I literally got wicked on by like 10 cents. Annoying sack of donkey loads. Piece of crap. ENSC. Is anybody wanting to short ENSC with me? Made a solid 1.3k on FWBI out of the gate. Took a small L on CDTX and now just watching for something to base out. There you go, Fat G. Right back up to those green days. Good stuff. Good stuff. Snowa, I still have locates on Snowa, so I would like Snowa to. Can I trade coin like mana? No, I don't trade coins at all. GME. I'm not gonna look at GME. Done for the day. Control your emotions. There we go. Kid X90, need a little bit of help. What's up? Let me know what you need help with. Snowa is pushing back up. ENSC has a lot of room to run. Yeah, this one up to, if we close that gap fill to $2, I will be very interested at $2. Snowa is pushing back up though, so watch Snowa. Snowa, probably a lot of shorts, also shorted those two pops right over VWAP. Looking for that move through $2, didn't get it, so this thing could push up again. Tesla, you know, if it sets just another nice flag down here, maybe this has got a tiny bit more room to run, but I would not be super like adding big share size on this. Like I could see this thing make a lower high here and make a nice flag and move lower still, but Snowa halted. Oh no, it's not Snowa. ENSC halted at 52.43, so this should resume at 57. 57.43, so exactly a minute. So we got about a minute for this one to resume. Tesla, I even think right now is dropping again right back down to 137. Like it wants to drop a little more right there. Man, I think when I'm shorting, I gotta focus on the stocks that I don't want to see. I don't want to see INPX. I shorted that one. I didn't want to see GNSN. I should have shorted that one. I didn't want to see COSM after it failed. I should have shorted that one. $2. If this thing goes straight up, yeah, good job, Fat G. Some Chicago traders still on you. Good job. If ENSC goes straight up to $2 or gets another halt up, I might just get a starter in on this thing. Let me make sure I actually located the shares and not got rejected. Yeah, I got them. Snowa, I still have shares on Snowa too, so I'm gonna hit Snowa again if this thing pops back up to 245, 250s. Even right there where Snowa is kind of tempting me. Kind of like, oh, just take. Oh, there goes ENSC. If this goes into another halt, if it holds this one, there we go. It's gonna push up again. This thing could push up again. Never mind, it's just gonna halt back down. Oh, that was a fake halt. Huh. This thing just fake halted. This thing like fake halted and resumed like literally like 10 seconds after it fake halted. That was weird. Watch the blow off to 150. Could get the short there. Maybe if this is already feeling a little heavy. It already tried halting down. This is up already, what, 100% on the day? Yep, 103. Watch this blow off here. Looking for that 150. Oh, it's going to halt again. Halted again. Tesla is still flagging there. ENSC started 129, the full size at 130 as his face halted, false halted down. Okay. Dang, somebody made 1,000 off that Tesla dump. Dump, 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 dump. I didn't even make 1,000. Is this recorded? No, it is not. Joe Pete, what's up, man? I'm making money live. ENSC though. ENSC, I could be looking for this thing. It kind of halted up there again, but to me it looked weak. To me that halt there looked weak. Resumption is showing 147, a penny higher, but it just halted, so we'll see. This levels? These right here, Bad King? This, I think this one it halted. I think I just marked the high. Or let me see. No, this is a daily level. 125 is the starting of the gap fill. Gap fill goes up to 1.9. So this right here. So this is a gap fill right here. And then this is just a 150 that I just marked right there. Tesla, there's a little bit of a flag down. I would have wanted this thing to keep pushing down lower right here. But, you know, it's pushed down enough. I don't think today is going to sell off right before earnings. I think we are going to keep going sideways. So if we do get another low 137.5, I do want to find the support down here, or the low down here. I do want to find that. Right now, I could see Tesla bouncing off 137 or kind of this pivot right here, rejecting this back down right there. That is what I'm seeing. So either push into this level, reject, unless we go green in the day and then this thing keeps pushing, or this thing can push back on down to 137 and then catch the bounce down here at 120, 137. Snowa, I missed my second entry on Snowa, man. I am absolutely butchering my shorts recently. There you go, about to destroy yesterday's roller coaster of emotions. Nom 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 nom. ENC attacking a lot of eyeballs since nothing is moving. I'm late getting started this morning. I think these long dark nights are finally getting to me. York night shifts. Rome C also liking that 137.5 level on Tesla. Oh frick. I would be looking for a nice possible trade on Tesla down here. To the long side if we get to that level. Right now, ENSC is halted. I do have short locates on this one. This one's going parabolic. If this one gives me a good entry, if this one just shoots up to 2, if, you know, I'm looking at kind of a $2 top out on this one. I know it's got a lot of room, but I'm looking to see if this one just gets up to that $2. I could see a lot of sellers. Look at the daily. There's so many wicks at $2, so I could see this thing go up there. Halted at 59, so this should resume at 904. 21, so we still got like 3 minutes. SPY also had a nice drop there out of that 396 level. Nvidia, now you're getting your money back, wild boy. FWBI double bottom. You could catch a move back down to VWAP on FWBI, but Rosendo, you're the expert at those dip trades. I'm not. You and Fat G both trade like that too. Fat G, I have bad fail on ENSC, small size 144, had order in 133 but missed it. Chasing it a bit though has room to 2. So a lot of shorts are looking to add out of a halt too. Yeah, I'm looking to maybe get my starter. Check Snowa consolidation at 2. Yeah, I'm watching it. That's why I haven't hit short on that one. It could drop out of $2, but if this thing comes back up and gets above 224 level, Snowa over 224 is going to be good for longs. It's going to squeeze to 250s. If you get over 224 on Snowa, you will go up to 250s. Or at least that's what I would. Look at INPX. Like, how did I not short that one? Look at that. It's insane, man. The ones I don't short just free fall without even green candles. I don't know what a green candle is. This one's showing resumption 150. Could see the blow off through 150, but I know shorts are going to be getting out of here. And whoever bought down here, you know, they're up 100%. They're going to take their profits. So if it goes past this and wants to still run to 2, I will quickly stop out. But I do think maybe this could be getting towards this top here. Wild Boy saying we are under all the EMAs and holding them now, so could see more down potential, especially on Nvidia as he's watching it. I'm going to be looking here on ENSC. There's a resumption, 150. Looking for the nice. Another fake halt. Nope, this one's real. Oh my gosh, there was no time to add there. There was no time to add on that one. Absolutely no time to add on that one. Snow is still holding 2. Somebody just mentioned EHTH. Let me look at EHTH. Okay. Okay, EHTH. Nice daily double top here that you just crossed. 7-1. If you can hold 7-1 here, you could see the next leg out of the stock. Strong, oh, strong-ish volume. Oh, maybe a little bit. $7 stock. I'd be fine with this, like 200,000 volume, not these 40, 30, 26, 20,000. Okay, Tesla, this thing cannot push higher. This thing just cannot push higher. I think it's time for this one to come back down. Hey, there you go, Tekken Money. Way to call it. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. So Tesla, I mean, I could see the last push to that 140 here, but I don't know that this one wants to push up high like this. It's this whole move higher here is super low volume, so I could see myself maybe starting a small short here, adding towards 140.12 and see if we can get the next leg down on this market. Oh, actually, SPY bounced all the way back up, so I did not see that. But it's retesting that 396 from the bottom now, so. Oh yeah, I haven't seen sniper trades in a while, yeah. That 396 level on SPY, it might be a good resistance now. That's the level where we faded down from. So if SPY cannot get out of 396, I will feel even more comfortable in this Tesla trade for this to move back on down lower. My target was 137.5. I mean, we got 60 cents away from it. So even if it doesn't make another low today, that's still the move down. Well, never mind. Well, never mind, Tesla. I guess you do want to go down right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my. How did I just like absolutely nail the top? What the heck? I'm literally top taking this stock like left, right, up, down, like for the last 2 months, man. Absolutely top taking Tesla every single direction, man. This is insane. I just literally shorted Tesla right there again, and literally just it started moving back on down. Now I got a runner on Tesla. I'm letting that sit there. ENSC halted at 04, so this should resume here at 09:51. So we got like 40 seconds left. I am 100 shares short Tesla. Not a lot, but you know, 100 shares is up 60 bucks right now. Looking for this thing to keep moving down and see if I get another low. ENSC, I'm going to be watching this one. I'm going to watch ENSC. I'm going to watch ENSC. There goes Snow again. Look at Snow. I'm telling you, Snow is probably the one that's got a lot of shorts. So if that one starts rallying, we could see a good push on that one. Get a lot of shorts out the way. ENSC, though, is about to resume here. I see Tesla still dropping, so I could see that this now maybe was the top on ENSC. We halted up, didn't move higher. Yep. Man, Tesla's still going down. I like it. This 125 daily level, remember? Somebody asked me what this level is. 125, that's a daily level. Gotta watch it here. If buyers want the stock to keep going up, they gotta hold this 125 here. Doesn't look like it. Don't look like it. I'm still watching Tesla on my side. I was watching this one. I had one starter in, but never got the high fill up there and never even gave me a lower low to add. There goes Snow again. There goes Snow again. A Snow at that 224 level. You could ignite a very nice squeeze at 224. Oh, never mind. Tesla, I'm still in short. My number's going up though. My video chart's not even working. Tesla, I'm still in the short here. Up $90 on the trade now. Up now $100 on the trade now. Snow up, fake flush there. Came all the way back up. Tesla looking for a new low here. I'm going to do my part and cover a little bit here just so I know that I covered at the lows if it doesn't want to keep going down. So I'm going to go ahead and cover half and put half somewhere up here. Nope, a little higher. There we go. That looks fine to me. That looks fine to me. ENSC. ENSC, if I get another pop on this one, would like to short. Same thing with, look at GNS, man. This is what I'm talking about. These are the stocks that I'm not shorting now, and they're the stocks that are free falling. ENSC would be interested in another short if it popped, give us a second higher low. Ooh, Tesla, big rejection there. I could see, like I said, Tesla to range strap today because we got earnings in the afternoon. So if this thing does not go down to 137 and just wants to double bottom here, we just could see this thing move back up. We said this yesterday, and that's what exactly it did yesterday all day long. It pushed up, double bottom, and then just went sideways all day long. So maybe it wants to repeat itself. I've taken 2 trades today on my short account, and both tiny green, like literally tiny green. If you ask me, I don't think Tesla's gonna get a new low here. I think it's gonna double bottom. I think this is going to double bottom down here. I'm getting FOMO now. I'm up 250 on paper trading account. Tesla would be green almost 400. That's okay, Blair. That's okay. You know you trade different with paper than regular, so just hang in there. Hang in there. I'm looking if I get one last pop down here on Tesla, be up $800. I will take this off the table here. But you could see it's not wanting to already. I honestly even want to flip long down here, but 797, there 800, 804. I'm calling that 804. Snowa, man, Snowa is cooking something up. Questions: how do I open a short account? You gotta go through a different broker. You can short large caps. I really think Tesla's gonna probably double bottom here, guys. So honestly, if this thing pushes down to 137, I'm taking a long. Snowa still trying. We gotta hold that 224 on Snowa. We gotta look at Snowa. We gotta hold this 224. Snowa watching. Oh, there goes ENSC lower. Missed that. I'm already out of that one. I took a small scalp there on Snow. We cannot break out of this 224. That's why I'm saying if we hold this 224 for the long side, I could see the squeeze. But as long as we're not holding it, I'm going to take my stabs up here short, back on down. If this wants to squeeze, I'll cut it out real quick. Nvidia for 61% profit, 4 puts, $461. There you go, Wild Boy. Everybody say congrats, Wild Boy. Look at Tesla, double bottom down there. I almost, as soon as I covered my short, I almost flipped to a long there, but. And ENSC, you know, I could tell that 150 was starting to top out there. I know it had room to too, but it halted up, didn't resume higher, and then it halted down, fake halted down, and then really halted down. So I thought that was the top. Do I think Neo will crash under 11? I am not watching Neo. I have not watched Neo. Hold on. Tesla, oh my gosh. I literally almost flipped long down there. Almost flipped long down there. Snow, this one looks squeezy to me. You just gotta go over 224, hold 224, and this one looks squeezy to me. Yeah, dash charts suck, man. I'm watching dash chart, and like that price moves, and the candle follows it like 3 seconds after. It's crazy. I don't know how people can trade just off of that dash chart. Snow, it looks like it wants to go. I'm out of that trade. I don't like it. It just keeps holding that VWAP. It looks like it wants to get out of 224. I will reattack this thing if it wants to go higher. If it wants to push out of that 224, then I could short close to that 200 moving average. But for now, I'm just going to leave it alone. You all have a good day. I'm pumped covered. My 160 loss yesterday. Sometimes it's tough when you're a day or two ahead of the market, but when it works well. There you go, Wild Boy. Yeah. So you're looking for that short yesterday. Popped, didn't work today. So good stuff. Agree. Tesla's gonna roll. 118 viewers today on YouTube. You guys hit the like button for me. You guys appreciate all of you guys coming in here. Any questions on TikTok, anywhere else, you guys feel free to ask me. I'm sitting at $800 profit on my Thinkorswim account. I was sitting at $1,000 profit yesterday, $1,000 profit day before that, $800 profit today. It's looking good. Green month is on the way. No red days all 2023. Absolutely killing this market, absolutely killing Tesla. You guys give me a thumbs up for that. And you guys go check out my recaps as well. Even if you guys don't watch them, just go ahead, thumbs up, go leave a comment. Appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Snowa, not done. Not done. Not done, Snowa. 224 holds, going 250. I bet you're glad you left your 9 to 5. Heck yeah, dude. I can't work a 9 to 5. And Snowa, watching Snowa, watching Snowa. This thing could squeeze 250. I mentioned 224 holds. This thing could squeeze 250. I'm watching. I might even get some starters, honestly. I'm starters. I'm starters. Absolutely God fills right there. But if it wants to squeeze me out, I'll stop out real quick. Could see the blow off through 250. Oh my gosh, Tesla, I should have played the long. This thing, oh, I was going to say, this thing looks like it wants to go for another leg. 245 fill right there. But it does not want to keep dropping. Buyers are stepping in. It ran again right into the 200 moving average on the daily. So If we get a blow off top through here, that's okay, but I am going to be taking my stabs up here. And there goes Tesla's going to trade between 140 and 137 all day long. All day long. Any of you guys really like trading the earnings? Like you guys stay and watch the earnings or look them up somewhere and then take trades on the earnings? Because I don't. Those things move so fast, and especially with limit orders. Come on, Snow, drop. Drop, baby, drop. I bet you're glad. Okay, okay, yeah. Hopefully by tomorrow we go under 393 SPY. Possibly Noah on the Oh no. Oh no. I don't know if I lagged there or what. I'm gonna be honest. Blair is gonna head out for the rest of the day. Thank you, Blair. You have a good rest of your day, Blair. Good trade today. Way to stay green. Way to call it. Way to switch to paper money. Way to do it. Way to kill it. Way to repeat it. I don't know. Good stuff, Blair. This doesn't want to keep pushing lower. I have not covered anything. I got, 15 cents of profit here, but I don't know if I should cover or this is the one that's gonna go right back down to 2 and I'm gonna get out and be like, are you kidding me, bro? I could see that 250 being the top, so maybe he tries to go one last push and then get stuffed again, but I don't know. Shorting is hard, man. You gotta be so patient. You can't look at your gains because then you're like, oh my gosh, I'm up that much. I want to take it, and then you take it, and then this thing drops another 50 cents, and you're like, oh no, I shouldn't have taken it. That's how it goes. It's trying to go for it again. It's trying to go for it. It's trying to use that 224 as support, but that 5 minute looks pretty stuffed, so that's the only thing I was looking. Look at this 5 minute candle time frame. You guys see how much stuffiness looks up there? I'm watching here. I want to see if I add or if I stop out. Not a good combination, but didn't do either of the two. Didn't do either of the two, but still watching here. If this wants to run, I'm gonna get out. If this wants to keep falling, I missed my ad, but I'm still holding a big majority from the initial trade, 80% of it. That I haven't tried to. I'm watching Snowa. What do you guys think on Snowa, guys? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? 249 so close. Yeah, I could see one last push, but if it pushes again, it might actually run a little more, just because it consolidated so much. But the 5 minute, look at this thing. That's the only thing that's making me like, oh, this is the top. This is the top. I'm still watching this. At 245, 200 SMA on the daily is holding so far. That's my only reason why I'm staying in this trade right here. I really want to see if this thing rejects 245, makes a lower high here, doesn't want to squeeze anymore, and can get a good stock to keep following. What is Tesla doing? Still going sideways, of course. Earnings today, by the way, if you guys didn't know. If you guys didn't know, that's why it's going sideways, because of earnings today. This is gonna pop a new high. Going to add, I guess, and full share size now. Let's see what happens. Wait, how do I now have full share size? Oh, I didn't get filled. That was a big spike and is not looking good for buyers. Added 260. Volume decreasing. I want this thing under 245 again. That would be ideal. Wait, 30. Hold on. I don't know how I messed up my shares. Either I didn't get filled on all of them or something happened, but if you ask me, this thing should not keep running. Like, this thing should not keep running. Maybe it holds 245, but that's a huge stub. This thing should not keep running. ENSC. Who actually did short ENSC? Did anybody short ENSC with me? I got out of that trade and look at it. Oh my goodness. On ENSC, look at ENSC. The one that halted like 2 times earlier. I hope this one comes down because now I am in full share size. I added closer to 260 up there a little bit. My first ads were 245 and then I added again 260. Now I am in full size here. So if I get a good push down on this one, I will be happy. I am in the green right now, but Snow popped. Yeah, so that 224 is the level that we were watching, right? So I mentioned 224. You could get a nice pop out of 224. Why? It was resistance, resistance, resistance. I should have taken a long 224. Fortunately, I didn't. Here it goes. Right back down. I want this thing down to $2. Tesla testing view. Tesla testing that 140.12. Tesla testing that 140 again. That same pivot that we ended up flushing out of. So careful there. Careful there. Oh yes, sir. Snowa, come on. I'm trying to be very patient on this play. I need to ride one of these shorts for a good amount. So I'm trying to be patient on Snowa. If this thing drops to 224 again, maybe I'll take my first cover there, but I really would like this thing back down to 2. If this thing went down to $2, I would be very happy. But 224 is going to be a lot of people buying there, so oh my gosh, you guys see Tesla? I said that 140 level, it literally came up, wicked it, and then turned right back down. What the heck? That's how you top tick your entries, guys. Look at that. Somebody just mentioned it, and it went from 140, like 12, down to like 139. Here goes Snow, another pop down. Come on, give me another dump. Give me another dump to 224 as my target. There it goes. Oh my god, I'm so tempted to cover. My cost basis right now is almost 250. There's no reason why this thing should hold up now, right, guys? Say yes even if you don't agree. There's no reason. Look at this 5 minute. I mean, it's got room down to 224 for sure. That's what I see. Yes, no reason. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Thomas. You're on my side, Thomas. All right, let's see. Was in pre-market 220. Okay. I'm looking at AL for tomorrow's earning report. Yeah, is there anybody who is like, I am 99? We can't say 100%. You don't want to get in trouble. But is there anybody in here who's like 99.99% some company is gonna report either good earnings or bad earnings? Is anybody like keep track of fundamentals stuff like that? Cause I don't. But is anybody here like, oh, I know like for a fact 99.99% sure that Tesla is gonna be bad earnings. So. Come on, 224. Give me 224. Give me 224. I've not covered anything on this stock. Come on, one more push down. Come on, one more push down right there. You made a lower low. Come on. There he goes. There's all the sell orders. Come in. Come in. There we go. Break this 234. 66 orders there. 77, 61, 54, 16. Cracked it. There we go. 233. There we go. Cracked it. Cracked it. Down to 224. Down to 224. There we go. I'm covering small there. There we go. There we go. This is looking heavy. Down to 224. Down to 224. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, one more final push down. One more final push down. One more final push down. Come on, one more push down. One more push down. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. 224. 224. Give me that 224. Covering tiny. Is this? Should I put a stop in place now and literally forget about this stock? I have 70% of my trades still open. That's a lot. I don't know how to manage shorts. Also, Polar, where are you at? Also, Polar. Also, Polar. Vegeta. I haven't seen Vegeta. Vegeta, are you in here? 224. 224. Oh my goodness. I covered a tiny bit more there just because Now I'm actually really gonna put a stop in place and let this thing sit there. I got 60% left. My basis is still 250. 249. All right, what you guys got? J Hart, what did J Hart do? Green on Tesla today, $753. There we go. The way you've been killing these Tesla trades, you should really try their options. You could probably be making the same gains with only like 3 contracts. Yeah, so depending on how many shares I take, a contract would be 100, right? So if I'm taking like, for example, 1,000 shares, that would be 10 contracts. I think I do want to eventually do it. I don't want to, but I think I do have to. So that should have been the wording. I don't want to. I think I have to. But we shall see. We shall see. Let's see. Chicago Trader. Good stuff. Good stuff. Thomas. Wait, Thomas, you're in short on this thing? Oh, you're in short on this one. You're gonna hold all day if need to. There we go. So who in my chat is like absolutely like a short expert? Like that's where you make most of your money. Because I know Osa Polares, but I know a lot of you guys, some of you guys have been joining my stream recently. How do I set the support and resistance? I just look at bigger time frames. No Tesla today? Oh, of course I traded Tesla. You want to see my Tesla trade? $804 with 45 cents on Tesla. Go short. I did go short on that one. Hold. I'm holding 60%. You got to put. No, I got short sells. Short. I got some shares short on that one on Snoa. No, options are much slower on the entries. It's so hard to get filled on point. That's what I also thought. Because I know whenever I've taken some trades like swing trading with options, which is usually the only time I trade options, I get so filled or I get a lot of slippers. So that's one thing that I am really scared to switch into options for. But we'll see. 224 needs to crack on Snoa, and I could see him move down to 2. So hopefully that happens. Let me see. Kevin, all I do is short. Okay, yeah. So you are. Oh, you are short on Snoa. Thomas, 90% short trades. Okay, there we go. There we go. So Thomas and Kevin both are short on Snoa right now. I am too. So congrats to you guys. Congrats to me. Round of applause. Pat on the back. Good job. Good job. Hopefully we get $2 on this thing. Diddy on Tradecaster also just shorter. Heading out small green for the trader. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. What was your entry and exit on Tesla today? I'm gonna look up how much you would have made with options. Let me see. So I took that first stab and I lost 200. But let me give you the clean one. So the clean one I added up here. I added a lot. I added 1,500 shares short on this thing. Up at like 140. Let's say 140. Well, no. Well, I guess you can see the numbers there. I don't know if that's what you need. So 141. This was a big trade here. So 500 and 1,000 that one. So 500, and then I took it off the table and then I added it right back up here. Look at this BS, bro. Look how much I left on the table with 1,500 shares. That right there went from 140 down to 138 and a half. Dollar and a half. $2 and a half. No, dollar and a half. For those of you guys that are shorts, so Kevin, Thomas, what other shorts, Diddy as well? What other shorts did you guys to take today? Elvinar prefers shorts to longs. Okay, Elvinar, there you go. Amy, first day back in margin, doing short all day. Small green 34, going to walk away so that I don't overtrade. There you go, Amy. There you go. Good stuff, Amy. Are you rich from day trading? I am filthy rich, bro. Have you escaped the Matrix? Matrix can't catch me, dude. I'm too far ahead. I want to learn how to do this. Man, I offer a course if you're interested. I stream for completely free so you guys can see all my trades, but I do offer a course if you're interested. Course, you get everything from complete beginner to all my strategies now, everything how I trade exactly. And on top of that, you get me to ask any questions at all. If you need help, if you want me to review your questions, your trades, if you just want further explanation on anything, I really take everybody in my course seriously, guys. Like the other day, they had questions, and I said, you know, it's gonna be easier if we just hop on a call. So I did that, and I answered them for them. Um, so you really do get a lot of help from me anytime you need it, review your trades or anything like that. And the course is in my TikTok bio, so if you guys are interested in that, and the code for $150 off is 150 off, no spaces. So just type in 150 OFF, and you get $150 off. The course with the discount comes down just under $300, which I know you're gonna be like, oh, $300, that's a lot, bro. No, it's not. You go look at other people's courses that, for one, they don't trade live. For one, you don't know that they're real. And two, they're not charging 300 for them. They're gonna be charging 500, 600. I've seen as much as 800 out there. Um, Obviously, I have to charge. If I could do it for free, I would do it for free. But I know I spent a lot of money on it. I know I made a business. Snowa, Snowa. Let's go, Thomas. Let's go, Kevin. 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 I didn't cover anything there. I want to see if this thing goes one more shot down to 2 at this point. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Can we get another filthy flush to 2? Another filthy drop to $2. Another filthy drop to $2. Come on, come on. Is it hard to learn properly? No, it's not. If you take your time, guys, if you work with somebody that knows what they're doing like me, you know, you're gonna learn everything the right way from the beginning. When I did it on my own, obviously it was harder, it took me longer, but you know, if you have somebody there to help you, like I said, if you're in my course, you can ask me anything. I don't care if it's a stupid question. I don't care if I already covered it on the course. I will help you, and I'll be like, go back and watch the video. And if you still have questions, let me know. If you literally don't understand it, I'll make another video just for you. If you don't understand it, I'll hop on a call with you. Anything like that. So, of course, I have to charge for it. You know, it's my time and stuff that I do take with them as well. So, but if you guys are interested, my course link is in the TikTok bio. 150 off at the discount. Kevin, Thomas, did you guys cover anything at all? And the course is very beginner friendly. You know, I have a lot of stuff on the course for like literally beginner, like what the heck is a candle? How do you read a candle? You know, time frames. What are time frames? How to set it up? You know, I use Thinkorswim, so unfortunately, if you cannot open an account with Thinkorswim, um, you're gonna have to figure that out on your own. Like if you use another broker, but most of you guys in the United States, Thinkorswim is one that you guys can open. Personally, I've never paid for a course and I'm a successful trader now, but 300 isn't bad at all to get everything in one place. Yeah, that's another thing. When I learned on my own, I learned off of YouTube, and on YouTube, I literally would watch somebody and then I would watch somebody else, and this guy said this, and this guy said don't do that, and then this guy said do this, and this guy said don't do that. So you get a lot of mixed feelings, a lot of stuff that you don't know if this guy's telling the truth or that guy's telling the truth, you know, but and then I just go into all details of what brokers, you know, which ones are better for you, account types, how to manage account types, you know, all that stuff. So $300 for his course is not bad at all. He adds subjects if we ask. It's well organized from beginner to experience. You have him as your mentor as well. He also trades live, so you know he isn't BSing. I thought that said losing, but that says BSing. Yeah, so Sergio is another member of my course. Amy is another member of my course, and she is very active in asking me questions nonstop, so I have been helping her a lot. You know, I got a lot of people on my course. Is 300 a good amount to start trading? I would say if you guys buy my course, I'd still recommend you got. Here we go. Hold on. I would still suggest starting off if you only have 300, that's perfect. You don't be aiming for the big profits. So if you have $300, don't expect to make $1,000 a day. But my shorting account is Guardian. But even on my course, I go over it. Like, if you want a paper trade, which everybody in here that is learning to trade, you can open an account completely free. I think you might have to pay 50 bucks or put $50 into your account at least to have real-time data, and I cover that in my course as well too, so you can paper trade, and that means you can do exactly everything that I can right now with fake money. You get about $100,000 of fake money, so I definitely suggest you start off with that. Now, if you don't want to do that, and I don't go against it, this is one of the things that everybody's like, no, you have to paper trade first. I don't tell you guys to paper trade. If you guys want to go straight to real money, do it. But make $1 a day. Make $5 a day. Make something that if you lose 30 days straight, you're gonna be like, oh my god, well I just paid for me to learn. I just paid for me to have fun. It's like a hobby. So don't be losing. If you start off, don't be losing $50 a day, and then at the end of the month you lost 1,000. You're like, oh my god, now I don't have money for rent. This is bad. So, but yeah, yeah. So for everybody asking, Beheta, there you are, man. I am short snow with like a 250 average, and I have like a big share size of my position still in. Anyways, for everybody asking, if you guys go over to my Discord, which I'm gonna give you guys my Discord right here, or I'm gonna give you guys the course link in general here. So I'm gonna post it on both Tradecaster and YouTube. And if you guys are on TikTok, I cannot post links on TikTok, unfortunately. So you guys are gonna have to go to the TikTok, go to my page, click the follow button first of all, and then go up to my link, and you should see it there. So here's the course link on YouTube. So there's the course link, and the code is 150 off. Here is the course link on Tradecaster. If you guys want to check it out, here it is, 150 off for the course, for the discount. Sorry. And then everybody on TikTok, unfortunately, I cannot post a link. But here is the. What the heck? And if you guys have any questions at all about the course, like you really want to get it, but you're just not sure, uh, come and ask me. Come and ask me a question. DM me on Instagram, DM me on my Discord, DM me on just in general. Come and ask me. I'm definitely not the guy that's gonna scam you out of money. So if you got some questions or anything like that, unless you're gonna ask me for payments, because I cannot do payments on the course. I've got that question before. Unfortunately, I can't do it. One, if you do a payment, as soon as you make the first payment, you get access to the course, so you can literally download everything and then don't pay me again. So I cannot do that. But anything else in general, you guys just ask me a question. Juan's consistency alone is enough of a reason to buy his course. Okay, hold on. Some of you guys had a question. Is it possible to day trade IRA and cash account at once if both accounts are more than 25K? I'm not sure I'm understanding your question. So there is, if you guys have an IRA, there is a way that you can trade with that, but I probably wouldn't suggest it. And then I don't know what you mean a cash account. It would not be if you have 25K in the account itself. It's not going to be a cash account. It'll be a margin account at that point. Yeah. So Beheta, I'm short on Snowa 250 average. And then Thomas on YouTube and what's Kevin on YouTube are also short on Snowa here. And I still have like, oh, hold on, I never even readjusted my stop. Let me see. Thank you, Beheta. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'd say rates no more than 1%. I trade only with settled cash at this point. There you go, Michael. Yeah, so I cover all of that in the course as well, how to deal with a cash account. Uh, TikTok people, if you guys have any questions, the experience is worth gold, bro. How much can you make a day realistic? Dude, you can. This is what I tell everybody. I know it's not the answer you want, but there is not another job or business or anything out there that literally you have the ability to make as much as you want. You know, obviously you have to have the capital, but same thing with a business. If you have a business, you have to have the employees, you have to have the the money to build the building or something like that. But day trading is the same thing. But the thing is, with day trading, I could jump into some of these things with 50K and make 10,000, 20,000, $30,000, or I can jump in with $1,000 and make $300. If I have $1 million, I can jump with $1 million and make 200, 300,000. And let me tell you this, guys, there's people out there trading for 15, 20 years, even my people at 5, 10 year range that are making $10, $20,000 a day, $50,000 a day, $70,000 a day. Now obviously be careful because there's people out there that say they make that much and they don't do that. They're scammers, but the people that do, you'll find them and they really are legit and they really make that much money a day. So it's possible. You can make as much as you want. Thomas, have you covered anything at all on Snow or no? Because if you have not covered, that is what I need to learn, man. And even that, guys, if you guys think that you guys already know enough about trading and you guys are just watching like you just lost, if you buy the course, yeah, it's a good refresher to go over everything and maybe learn stuff that you haven't seen before, or anything like that. But two, if you just needed somebody to talk to or go review your trades or literally work with you, I mean, that in itself is going to pay for it. I will work with you as much as you guys want and as much as you guys ask for it. So, have I ever gone all in on one trade? No. Thomas, Kevin, have you guys covered a lot on Snow, or you guys are in still full size? Because that is going to be insane if you guys are still in full size. Nothing covered? Oh my god. How, dude? What did you ask? Whenever you're not occupied? Floor 14 PNHAXHOSAJ. What's your question? Dark makes you're in 2,000 shares short on Snowa. Dang. Kevin, you're in full size. Oh my gosh, you guys are outdoing me by a lot. All of you guys are in full size still. Dang. Trading is the easiest way to scale up. Once you start seeing real consistency, you could scale up as large as your capital allows with the proper risk management. Romsey, did you start off red today? Or did you kill it today, Romsey? You got limit order set at 1.9 and 1.8 to cover. There you go. Another question for all you short sellers. Did you guys start off the long way? Like you guys started off long in stocks and then you're like, ah, screw this. I can't make money long, so I flipped to short. Or did you guys go straight to the market shorting stocks? You're about to hit the gym. Do you have a stop in place? I think he was kind of like joking, but 235 is your stop. Hey, that's where I have my stop. I have mine at 234, but that's just because it was pretty far away. I was like, oh yeah, I'll put it right there. But actually, let's see. If I was to close right now again, I'd have a max PR day shorting. Yep. But I'm not closing it yet. I'm gonna wait for that $2 dump. Let me see though. Commissions today: $7, $5 there on ECN and commission fees. Dang, I paid a lot in commissions again today though. Those things add up. Yeah, but that makes sense. Small red rum C. You got it, man. You got it. You started long, could never get consistency. There we go. Okay, and then flip to a short side. Whoever had that question on TikTok, I don't know what you're saying whenever you're not occupied. But if anybody on TikTok has any questions, go ahead and ask me right now. I'm gonna go ahead and import my trade so you guys see exactly how much I made today on my long account, so you guys know. And I traded this right in front of you guys. So here's my trade view. Gonna go ahead and import trades. And oh my goodness. So this is for everybody out there. If this itself doesn't tell you that I know what I'm doing because I'm streaming this every single day free. And by the way, I posted a video yesterday on TikTok. If you guys want to know and want to see every single trade that I took live, you guys can go back on my YouTube and watch every single one of these days here and every single trade that I took in these days. And these days are today $800, yesterday 1006, Monday 900, Friday 200, Thursday 170, Wednesday 975, Tuesday 900, Friday 800, Thursday 760, Wednesday 780, Tuesday 300, Monday 500, Friday 700, Thursday 200, no 140, sorry. Wednesday 600, Tuesday 320, Friday. What is this? Oh, that was the last day of last year. 500, 400, still goes 500. When did I make $8 last year? Oh my gosh, literally the last day of the year last year I made $8. Oh my god, that day would have ruined my green streak. And as of today, now I'm sitting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 days green in a row. Biggest launch streak ever, so this is not common. Biggest launch streak ever. This is not common. BBAI, BBAI. You guys said, Juan, shut up and start trading. BBAI had a little nice double top right here. 525. This to me looks backside on this stock. This thing sold off pretty hard that one time. I really hope Snow comes back on down. You're killing it. You're the most accurate trader and tradecaster. Thank you, man. Thank you. I know a lot of the other guys on here make way more money than me, but I show my trades. I show you every single trades. I show you the exact buy and sell signals. I show you the exact P&L, day in, day out, day in, day out. Says the U.S. Navy wants to build the world's first fully autonomous fleet, and Big Bears is a U.S. miner is helping them turn a big idea into a reality. Big Bear. Dang, that's kind of cool. A possible where can I learn from beginning? From my course, man. My course starts complete beginner level. ENSC. I think I saw it curling back up. Yeah, but this was still a great short already when we hit it up here. Well, I got in early. I got in right there, but never averaged up against 150, and this thing went from 150 down to $1.50. That's a lot. Snow. Oh, I'm still looking for Snow to hit $2. At this point, I don't see why this thing cannot go back down to $2. It might pop up to 224, but ultimately I think this thing can go down to $2. So I'm actually gonna put an alert here. And give me, guys, literally 10 seconds. I'm gonna sprint to my. I almost said chicken. Oh my god. I'm gonna sprint to my kitchen for something to eat. Hey, Brazindo, guess what I got? So, Juan, you have to let the new traders know the price of the course. 300 with the discount, just under 300 with the discount. Sergio Rome CNE learn how to cut losing trades and prevent them from being big ones. I struggle with that, yeah. Hold on, let me see something. Sergio, what's your Discord name? Banana. Es un plátano, es una banana. No banana. Sergio, what's your Discord name? Corey, currently struggling with that right now, actually. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you asked me that question yesterday. I didn't realize that was you. I thought that was somebody else the whole time. Wait, is this your car? Dude, I had no idea that was you, Sergio. My bad, man. Dude, my bad. I thought that was somebody else. It just clicked in my head. What was it like trading these top gainers in 2021? Um, it was like I haven't seen any example recently. I know we had some end of last year, but oh wait, hold on. Maybe this one. It was a couple days, not too long ago. No, not like that. It's like think of this, take a screenshot of this, and then post that screenshot again here, and then maybe half the screenshot again here. And that's what 2021 looked like, but that kind of squeeze. Oh, look at that. I made $600 there. I don't know. The penny stocks were a lot different back then. Not that they're bad now. You can still make money. You just have to be very selective. And like what Romsey and Sergio right now are talking about, if you're wrong on the trade, you got to get out. You got to get out. You know, you got to take your loss. I trade key levels on the large caps, yeah, or actually on everything. Jim said, just think you can lose way more than $300 in day trading, or get the course. No to all new traders. So, thank you, James. Shorting. I didn't short back then. I started. I don't know how I. Not on my car, but someday will be. There you go. Um, then if you guys shorted BBAI, good stuff, man. What was I saying? What was I talking about? Oh, dark mix. I've only been shorting as of December, so not even 2 months yet. I haven't been shorting for more than 2 months, which I'm getting better at it, but definitely a lot of room to improvement. I started off really good though. Literally went like the first 16 days with like either literally a break even or a decent small win. You know, win. So I got my account with some cushion right off the bat. Here goes Snow back down to 2 though. And then last week was my first struggle. I scaled up, obviously, a little bit of share size because I started off tiny. You know, you guys, I don't tell you what to do if I don't do it myself. I'm new to shorting, and even though I'm making $1,000 a day on Thinkorswim, doesn't mean I'm gonna go right in with $1,000 and make or lose $1,000 to shorting when I'm completely new. So I follow my own strategies. I literally started trading, and when I started shorting, I was like, okay, I'm gonna make or lose $50, $100, you know, $200, and then I started upping it, upping it. But last week I did have a couple struggles. GNS, LYT, and INBS. I think that was either Monday or Friday last week. But those three stocks all behaved the same way, and all of those behaviors on those stocks were just not common. It's just something you don't see. So I managed to be break even, literally small green on LYT, Small loss on GNS. I made it back on the backside to a very small loss, but I was down bigger than that, obviously. And then INBS was the one that I did take the loser on, but wasn't. I mean, it was decent size, big, but it wasn't crazy. I made it all back yesterday, and then today another great day. So, but but yeah. So I'm still new to shorting. That's why I keep asking a bunch of shorting questions to you guys. Good morning for those of you guys that are joining in on TikTok a little late. You have a job or just trade? I just trade, man. Use your fo one. Good morning, man. Sergio, I say this all the time to everybody. If you guys jump into a trade to hold, for example, let's say right here, you jump into this trade right here to hold that key daily level 224. If you jump in right here, as soon as this thing gives out 224 down to VWAP or something, you're out of the trade. There's no need to hold it. If it starts pushing in your favor, you put a stop right below, right? Let's say you tried, that one would have worked. Let's say you tried here on the way back up, you want to break this 224. You tried it here, pulls down, I'm out. Let's say you try it again here, pulls down, you're out. Say again, stuff. This is why I'm not buying breakouts anymore. Try it here again, pulls down. Finally, you get this one, works in your favor. Put a stop in place. You can ride this thing back up. Even if you rode this one here to there, probably would have made up for 3 paper cuts. But I've just 2020 and 2021 I was buying, or actually 2021 because 2020 I was learning. 2021 I was literally buying breakouts like the first time, like literally here. You buy there, and then you'd be selling up here. That's just what happened. And I do remember, like, now, like, it's very rare that I'm in two trades at the same time. Sometimes I am. Like, today I was in, I think, on Tesla, put a stop, and then I went back to Snoa. I remember on 2021, I literally would be in like 3 or 4 stocks at the same time. Like it was crazy. I'd buy this one, breaks out, put stop in place. Buy this one, boom, breaks out, stop in place. Buy this one, boom, breaks out, stop in place. Like, and then there was so many halts, but there were halts like legit halts, not like this GNS LYT crap where it halts and then halts down and then halts back up and then halts down and then halts down and then resumes and goes right back up. Like it was way different. Like over there, it was like, oh my gosh, shorts got squeezed into a halt. Next halt goes up higher, and then you top out and then pull back, and then again squeezes, halts, goes next leg higher. Not like now with stupid halts. Market makers freezing the stocks. And now I'm just look, oh my god, look at GNS again, right back down, right back up to view up. I haven't covered anything else on this one at all. I covered some here. I covered here, there, and then boom, 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 boom. Control Z, right? But I still want to see $2. Tesla, still rallying a little bit. Has earnings today. Maybe missed a couple of more plays on this one. I started off in the red, made it back again. Stayed calm, made it back. That long that I almost flipped to would have been absolutely golden down there. You guys remember I was like, I kind of want to flip long right here. As soon as this thing goes, I want to flip long, and then didn't work. Now, look at this right here as well. You guys were telling me that 140. You could have taken the attempt right there, right? Candle close above it? Nope. Candle close above it? Nope. Candle close above it? Yes. Take that short pullback. Boom. Tesla going for a new high day, honestly. Snowa, Thomas, Kevin, be ready. Snowa, get ready. Thomas, Kevin, Snowa. I'm surprised. You guys have got to have covered something by now, right? There's no way you guys have not covered. You're looking. You usually hold all day or even the next morning. Jeez, dude. How much do you pay for overnight fees? Do you calculate it yourself, or do you ask them every day and be like, "Hey, how much would it be if I held this overnight?" I think it's four times the cost to short overnight. I asked them. Yeah, Thomas, you gotta join the Discord, man. You gotta join the Discord. I got you guys gotta join the Discord and be more active. I got like 2,000 people in there, and it's the same 10 people commenting. But if you guys don't comment, you guys can lurk in there, give some reactions or anything like that. Let's get that Discord a little more active as well, because a lot of times people join the Discord first off of TikTok, and then they'll be like, "This Discord isn't even moving," so nobody watches this guy live, and then they don't ever join. But oh well. Wow, I saw you took 1,500 shares short on shares of Tesla short. That's 200K in that trade. Love that. Yeah, thank you, Kevin. Oh, Thomas said, nah, no Discords. Okay, I'm not gonna push you. See you here in the mornings then. Okay, I'm serious. Does anybody in here play games? Video games? Like a big gamer person? Anybody in here? What's y'all's favorite games again? I ask this question all the time. I play games all the time. Ali Concha, CSGO sometimes. I ask this question because now I got a lot more new people in here that didn't used to be here. And so I'm curious what you guys play. Competitive COD right now. There we go. Halo Infinite, but everybody says it's trash. Yeah, I haven't played a Halo game in a long time. Oh, the Harry Potter one. Yeah, my friend pre-ordered that game. He said he should get it like earlier than everybody else. This is a game. That's right. We wake up every morning and play a video game. That's how I treat this. This is a video game right here. Modern Warfare 2. My son's in my office and he said Call of Duty. Do you do skate? No, my friend wants me to get into. I only play with one guy. He's my best friend since high school. Well, and then we met somebody. This is crazy, guys. Like, okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys like my whole story now. If you got, I'm done trading. If you guys want to head out, you guys can head out. The only thing I gotta manage is Snow short. I think I'm done trading overall though. But anyways, been a hot minute since I gamed. What you playing? So, best friend and I, he's the one that's built my PC. He's the one that's on the Discord. He knows everything about PCs. If you guys have any question related to that, go ahead and ask it on there. I have a, a place to ask like PC related question, monitors, all that stuff. Must have gone ripped on yet too risky to hold that long. Which one? I'm still holding Snow short. I decreased a bit more, but not much. As a matter of fact, I have to update. Anyways, so he's the one that got me into gaming. We've been gaming, I don't know, for years now. Played a lot of Fortnite, played a lot of COD, played a lot of Rocket League, played a lot of Apex. We kind of rotate games, but he's the one that you guys have seen on stream before. Every once in a while, he comes up here. Um, but recently, he always had a racing rig, and he wanted me to get into him, and I was like, nah, I don't want to have that big old thing in my room, and I don't want to do that, and it looks weird. I don't want to do that. Anyways, he ended up buying a new one just so he could give me his old one. So he gave me his old one, and we've been doing races. Bro, that thing is fun. You guys know what I'm talking about? Where you legit have your own shifter, your own wheel, your own pedals. I've been doing that. And it's iRacing, so it's like the most realistic racing game you could ever play. You have like your own like license, and if you race bad, like you get reported, you can get your license taken away, you can go on probation, like stuff like this. Like they're pretty cool. I was like, I don't want that thing in my room, and I started racing, and it's pretty cool. So um, I might end up maybe someday start streaming it or just streaming my games in general. We used to do it combined. Oh, which is where the other third guy comes in, anyways. But we used to stream on one desktop, so you guys can go on Twitch on one account, and then it would have all three of our faces in all three of our gameplays. So you could like as we were playing Apex, you could see my friend's point of view, you could see my point of view, and you could see my other friend's point of view, and it was pretty cool. Or if you play Rocket League, you could see everybody's point of view on the same monitor. So I thought that was cool. But anyways, but I used to stream on Twitch. I don't know how I feel about streaming on this account, on this YouTube, since some of you guys would join in, but I don't want it for people that are like sub to my trading and then start getting notifications. Oh, he went live. Let's go watch this night day trading study session, and then they click on it and you see me driving a freaking F1 car going 200 miles an hour down a straightaway chicane, something like that. I racing. Anyways, Madden. So some of you guys saying Madden. Okay, I was expecting some sport games, some basketball, football games. Played FIFA for a little bit, not really. Yeah, I'm on Instagram. Same thing, Juan Trades. Although if you look up Juan Trades on any platform, you're gonna find like 15 Juan Trades, man. Like literally, if you guys go to Instagram, and I could show you right now, so you guys know exactly who the real me is. Oh wait, oh maybe not anymore. That's weird. Well, there's two of them that it shows. So I'm the one that's got a story on that says same as usual, I guess, from yesterday. There is another one on there that's got 1,000 followers, but that one is not me. the real me has the real me has 865 followers. Unless some of you guys are following me, and it might go up a little bit. It's TikTok, dude. TikTok is the one that if you type Juan Trades, you see like 30 people with my same thing. Kevin, you gave me a follow. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Are you the music one? Is this the Kevin right here? I wouldn't even be a little mad. A little mad about what, Michael? Nate trades Madden. Okay, FIFA COD played Madden since '94. There we go. Oh my God, Dark Trader, that looks awesome. On on Instagram is Juan plus the little tree. I don't have a little tree. Arbolito. He's to my left. I wouldn't even. I wouldn't be even a little mad. Oh, I see. I see. I see. I might stream one. I might stream one so you guys can come in. But it's gonna be hard to read the chat while I'm racing because that thing is tough, man. I don't see the little tree. You can see it on my course reviews. You can see the little emblem there, but yeah, I got a little chameleon. That's what I got my logo off of, my pet chameleon. Rome C watching for possible puts. I could see that on Tesla. Rejecting that one high of day level 143 again. Oh my gosh, it's spamming. We've gone on a very nice uptrend this whole time. I do think this thing can cool off a little bit. This is that flat top there. It's kind of the third attempt there. And like I said again, we got earnings today, so let's see what this does. Does this reject this area? You could wait, and if you want to find the good quality trade on this one, since you are uptrending, you got to find the big downtrend rejection. Just do a simple trend line here. Now that this is pretty upsteady, like that. If you break out, great. If you break down and try to go for that last push right here, that's where you can take the short, right? You break down out of this downtrend, you get that last push up, you can take a very good risk to reward trade here. And why is that? Because you can take the trade here, you can risk, let's say, $1 to the top side, like over this wick here. So maybe lose $1, but your reward on this thing could be back down to 141 and a half. That's $1 there, 140 here, $1 and a half, $2 there. You know, so you got more reward than risk on that one there. Snowa is still holding up though. I hope Snowa doesn't turn into freaking INVS going sideways all day again. What are you looking at? Puts on SPY, Nvidia, and all that stuff. Let me look at these other stocks. SPY does have a gap to fill on the daily. It created a gap now. 397.64. So up here would be a close of a gap on SPY. So you maybe get one last run on SPY to 397.64. I do see a gap. But anyways, I think I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day, guys. I'm locking in another great day at $800, $804 profit. Um, Holding Snowa, I got stopped right over two. Right now, I got it over 234, but I might actually move it down a bit just so I don't lose if this thing shoots back up. Might put it right over that 224 now. I mean, even this, I see a good flat top there, 217, so I could put it right above. VWAP's there, I could put it slightly above VWAP, but I might keep it around this area here, 224. That daily level is important, so I might keep it above there. As far as that, guys, you guys have a good rest of your day. Appreciate you guys all coming in here. I know I sent the Discord link in there. I know I sent the course Discord link on there as well. Everybody on TikTok, I can't send links, but you guys can find them all on my TikTok bio up top. Um, what else? Gonna post a recap here in a second. You guys go hit the like button. You guys go leave some comments on there as well. I don't, like I said, I don't charge for anything, and I still take the time out of my day to make some recaps. So if you guys like them or anything like that, just let me know. Hit the like button on them as well. Thank you, Kevin. I'll check out your Instagram. That looks pretty interesting. I'll check it out. But thanks for the follow as well, man. And learning from you short guys. You know, I'm doing okay on the shorting, but watching you guys' patience and the way you guys take some trades and stuff, I'm learning from you guys. So that's what it's all about. Your alerts is not here. What alerts? What alerts? Sorry. But what was I gonna say? Any last minute questions, you guys? Let me know right now before I head out. Where was the trade that I made money today? I went short on Snowa, so I'll go over all of them real quick. Oh yeah, I don't put them on there. I don't got time to do that because I'm actually trading and stuff, so I don't have time to go in there and put them. Anyways, I traded Snowa short somewhere up in this area. I added here, and then I added here again, covered here, covered there, and I still have a very big chunk of my position with a stop, so I'm looking for under 2. The trade that I made my most money on today, Tesla. Oh my god, look at this downtrend. Look at this clean break right there, close below it, tries to push up. That's where you take the highest entry possible right there, guys. Look at this. 142.15, easy break of trend line there. Take the short as high as possible. Right now, you'd be sitting in the green trade, you know, 40 cents in the profit with a stop at break even. You know, little trades like that add up. Anyways, I made $800 on Tesla, and on Tesla, my trades were, I think I took short here. So I took some shorts here, trying to get the leg back down. Stopped out. I think I took a $200 loss, and then I still had a bearish sentiment on Tesla, so I added like 500 shares short here, added another 1,000 shares short there. I kind of got a little iffy on this, so I ended up covering 500, but re-added them right there. So 500. So again, 1,500 shares short on Tesla, 200,000 K position right there. Yeah, I know it's a lot with shares, but oh well. Um, and if you guys are a beginner, you do not need that much money to make this money. You can go to penny stocks, you can do options, and you can make this much money with like a grand, 2 grand. You know, you can get 50% on a grand. That's $500. Definitely possible. Anyways, I covered most through here. No, I covered like almost all of it right there. I was looking for that double bottom, and I wanted to hold a little longer, but I put my runner right on top of this, so I got wicked out right here with a big amount of shares still. I got wicked out right there, stopped out, and then this thing dropped like another dollar and a half from 141 to 138. Yeah, like I don't know, $2. That was a tough one. That was a tough one. But anyways, $800 profit, so I'm glad. And still all green. Look at this. Still, you can short these pops right here. If you want this thing to reject, you start taking some of these shorts here back on down. Anyways, I'm going to call it for the day. Another green day. Still perfectly green this month, this year. No red days. 22-day green streak. So let's keep this going. You guys take care. I appreciate all you guys coming in here. If you guys need any help, you guys know where my Discord, where my course is, my link in the TikTok bio, link in Discord, link in YouTube recaps, anywhere. You guys know it. Kevin Juan, just a heads up. There's a lot of scammers messaging me coming from your server. Yeah, that's so annoying, dude. Did they all have my name? Like, did they all have my name and my profile picture? Because if it is, like, I literally remove like 3 a day. No, like 3 a week, not even like exaggerating, like 3 a week. But thank you for that. You see, I have one on here right now. I'm gonna ban this guy. But or are they people with not my name and image? Okay, thank you, Kevin. All right, guys, you guys have a good one. Appreciate it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next live trading session. Holding snow is short, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. But you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.